Have you ever wondered how some seniors seem to defy the effects of aging? They climb mountains, cycle through challenging terrain, and live life with the energy and strength of people decades younger. But what if I told you that it's not just luck? It's science. And today, we're diving into the most important secrets behind staying strong and independent in your 70s and 80s. By the time you're 80 years old, it's not uncommon for your muscle mass to shrink by as much as 50%. It's a natural part of aging, right? Wrong. For many, this process of muscle loss could actually be slowed down or even reversed with the right habits. Studies have shown that muscle atrophy doesn't have to be an inevitable part of getting older. Some seniors maintain strength and vitality well into their 90s, and today we'll reveal what they do differently. Many people believe that as we age, we simply lose our strength. But the truth is, muscle loss doesn't have to be inevitable. Researchers at the Mayo Clinic have found that while it's normal for some degree of muscle loss to occur with age, it doesn't have to dictate the quality of your life. For instance, those who stay active, whether it's through strength training, walking, or other forms of exercise, can dramatically slow the process. In fact, there are people in their 70s and 80s who have the muscle mass and stamina of people decades younger. It's all about muscle preservation. When we stay active and challenge our bodies, we send signals to our muscles that they need to remain strong. And that's exactly what these active seniors are doing. Their secret? They're not just sitting back and accepting their age, they're actively fighting the muscle loss that so many others experience. This may sound surprising, but one of the most powerful tools for staying strong into your 70s and 80s is stress. Yes, you heard that right. But not just any stress. This is called hormetic stress. Hormesis is when low doses of stressors, things that would be harmful in large amounts, actually benefit your body. A great example of this is cold exposure. Studies have shown that brief cold water plunges, or ending your shower with 30 seconds of cold water, can activate something in your body called brown fat, which helps boost your metabolism and preserve muscle mass. The same goes for heat. Using saunas regularly can actually increase heat shock proteins that protect your muscles and help them repair. One study from Finland found that people who use saunas 4 to 7 times a week had 40% less muscle loss compared to those who didn't. It's all about controlled exposure to stress, your body's way of growing stronger and more resilient over time. You've probably heard that protein is crucial for muscle health. But did you know that it's not just the amount of protein you eat, but when you eat it? As we age, our muscles become less efficient at using protein. This is called anabolic resistance. In simple terms, our muscles don't respond as well to protein after a meal. But there's a solution. Instead of loading up on protein all at once at dinner, spread your protein intake throughout the day. Aim for 25 to 30 grams of protein at each meal. For example, start your day with eggs, Greek yogurt, or a protein smoothie. Keep it consistent for lunch and dinner as well. Research shows that this method can boost muscle protein synthesis by up to 25%, meaning your muscles will be getting the repair and growth signals they need without overloading at one point in the day. If there's one vitamin you should pay attention to for muscle health, it's vitamin D. It's often called the muscle vitamin because it plays such a crucial role in muscle function. Yet, studies have shown that over 80% of seniors are vitamin D deficient, and this can seriously impact your muscle strength. Research from Harvard University found that those with optimal vitamin D levels, above 40 nanograms per milliliter, have 25% more muscle strength than those with low levels. Vitamin D activates genes involved in muscle synthesis and repair. So, if you're not getting enough, it's time to consider supplementation or vitamin D-rich foods like fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified dairy. Another silent enemy of muscle mass is inflammation. Chronic low-grade inflammation, referred to as inflammaging, can dramatically speed up muscle loss. But there's good news. You can manage inflammation through diet, exercise, and lifestyle habits. Eating anti-inflammatory foods like omega-3 rich fish, turmeric, and polyphenol-rich foods like berries and green tea can help. And don't forget about sleep. A good night's sleep reduces inflammation and gives your muscles the time they need to repair. As we age, it's not just our muscles that decline. Our brain's connection to our muscles can weaken too. But did you know that certain activities can help preserve these vital neuromuscular connections? Tai Chi, dancing, and even playing ping pong can help your brain communicate better with your muscles, improving strength, coordination, and balance. In fact, studies have shown that those who engage in coordination-demanding activities twice a week preserve their neuromuscular connections by 31%, better than those who don't. So the next time you're looking for an activity, choose something that challenges both your brain and muscles. Your body will thank you for it. Now, if there's one thing that sets superagers apart from others, it's resistance training. But not just any resistance training. It's all about intensity, not duration. The key is to challenge your muscles and gradually increase the weight or resistance over time. Superagers don't just do light workouts, they push themselves. High-intensity training, like squats and deadlifts, with progressive overload, is crucial to keeping muscles strong and building new muscle fibers. And don't worry, you don't need to spend hours at the gym. Just 2 30-minute sessions per week can make a huge difference in your muscle mass and overall health. So there you have it, the 7 habits that can keep you strong, healthy, and independent well into your 70s and 80s. It's all about staying active, challenging your body, and making smart lifestyle choices every day. The best part? It's never too late to start. Start with just one of these habits today, and you'll see how much stronger and healthier you can become. We'd love to hear from you. Which of these habits caught your attention? Are you already practicing some of them? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Stay strong, stay independent, and keep thriving.